Hello viewers. Welcome to A to Z Classroom 2020. Today we will discuss about a technical issue that most of the laptop users faces, that is Wi-Fi disconnection and Wi-Fi button turns off automatically. From this video you can solve most of the Wi-Fi problems that you used to face. Please be noted this problem is applicable for most of the Windows versions, especially Windows 7, 8.1, or 10. The complaint used to comes from Dell laptop users. In this tutorial, I will share some tricks. So let's start. First of all, sometimes our Wi-Fi connection shows inactive. That means, the device is not connected. To solve this problem, we have to go to Manage option by right-clicking on the PC icon. Then, go to Device Manager. From the Device Manager, find the Network Adapters. On the Network Adapters, find your wireless network adapter. Right-click on the network adapter and check whether the driver is enabled or not. If it shows disabled, just click on Enable. Then, go to PC settings, or you may check the Wi-Fi switch from the taskbar. Click on the Wi-Fi button. If it doesn't work and turns off automatically, then go to second trick that you have to check whether your Wi-Fi driver software is properly updated or not. To check this issue, you have to go to Manage from PC icon. Then, go to Device Manager, then you have to find Network Adapters, find the wireless network adapter. Right-click on the wireless network adapter. Go to Update Driver Software. From this window, go to Browse My Computer for Driver Software tab if the driver is already kept backup in the hard drive, and run it by following instructions. If driver software is not kept backup, then go to Search Automatically Driver Software tab to install it from the web. After a few moments, the software will be updated, or a message can be viewed that the best driver software for your device is already installed. That means there is no issue regarding software upgradation. Go to Wi-Fi option or PC settings, turn on the Wi-Fi button. Most of the cases, it works by doing updating driver software. If it's still having the same problem, that Wi-Fi switch turns off automatically, then do the final and most useful trick. Just go to your keyboard. Press the function button and F2 button and check the magic. Your Wi-Fi will be activated. Check it from Wi-Fi option. Switch on the Wi-Fi button. Wow, here it works. In the taskbar you will find your Wi-Fi signal shows on. I think this tutorial may help you for fixing Wi-Fi issues. Stay with A to Z Classroom 2020 by subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos. Please like and share. Thank you.